Before we submerge into the void, this video is for entertainment and education only. I'm not a doctor, and this isn't a prescription for floating your feelings away. Always consult a medical professional before locking yourself in a salty pot of darkness. What do you get when you remove light, sound, gravity, and basically, life? A sensory deprivation tank, also known as float therapy. This is the trend where you lie in warm, salty water inside a lightless pod, alone with your thoughts and zero distractions. Some say it leads to deep healing. Others say it leads to trippy hallucinations and existential dread. So I floated for 3 days. This is the gooey truth. Float tanks were created in the 1950s by neuroscientist John C. Lilly. Yes, the same guy who once tried teaching dolphins English. The tank is filled with magnesium-rich Epsom salt water, heated to body temperature and sealed from light and sound. You float effortlessly. No music, no phones, no stimulation. The idea? Your brain quiets, your cortisol levels drop. Your soul maybe whispers something wise. It's like being wrapped in velvet silence with a slight whiff of spa mildew. Day 1, awkward. My brain wouldn't shut up. I solved imaginary arguments from 2012. Day 2, deeper. I felt weightless, timeless, mildly emotional. Day 3, stillness, then visuals. Swirling shapes, flickers of light. Were they hallucinations? My brain. Or just salt dreams? After exiting the tank, my body felt melted but restored. Like I'd just had a nap, inside a cloud, shaped like a womb. Studies suggest float therapy may help with anxiety and depression, insomnia, muscle tension. One theory says the lack of input boosts dopamine. Another says it resets your sympathetic nervous system. And yes, some people report hallucinations, visuals, auditory blips, even full-blown scenes. Is it healing or just isolation-induced art? No one's totally sure. Not everyone vibes with the void. Claustrophobia? Not ideal. Sensory overload types might panic. Also, you need to really trust that tank hygiene is on point. Some pods have filtration systems straight from the future. Others might not. Pro tip: don't get salt water in your eyes or anywhere sacred. It burns a lot. So is it hallucination or healing? For me, healing is close by. No full dolphin conversations, but I did leave with reduced tension, mental clarity. The ability to sit in silence without spiraling? It's surreal, floaty, and weirdly comforting. Like spa therapy inside a sensory reboot machine? Want more wellness trends that flirt with the surreal? Hit subscribe and tap the bell.